A sentence begins with a capital letter. A capital letter is a letter that's big. A capital letter is not a small letter. A capital letter is big, big, big. A sentence ends with a period, or an exclamation, or a question mark. A sentence always ends with a period, or an exclamation, or a question mark. So,
my dog is great.
Is a sentence, the M is a capital, yeah, that's right.
My dog is great.
Is a sentence, it ends with a period, that's right. And
do you like bugs?
Is a sentence, the D is a capital, yeah, it's big, but
do you like bugs?
Is also a question, therefore it ends with a question mark. And also,
there is a monster.
Is a sentence, the T is a capital, yeah, it's big.
There is a monster.
Has a strong feeling, so therefore it ends with an exclamation mark. A sentence begins with a capital letter. A capital letter is a letter that's big. A capital letter is not a small letter. A capital letter is big, big, big. A sentence ends with a period, or an exclamation, or a question mark. A sentence always ends with a period, or an exclamation, or a question mark. Yeah.
Hi, I am a period. I am used at the end of a complete thought.
I am a question mark, right? Does anyone have any questions?
I am an exclamation mark. I am used for strong feelings. I am excited.
Woohoo!
I am a comma. I am used to make a pause between thoughts and also to list things. I like cookies, cupcakes, and cucumbers.
Yikes!
What is that?
I have no idea.
I like cookies, cupcakes, and cucumbers.
I am thinking about cats. I'm thinking about cats. The cat does not like the ball. The cat doesn't like the ball. Where is the cat? There is the cat.
Boo.
Where's the cat? There's the cat.
Let us review.
I am, I'm. Does not, doesn't. Where is, where's. There is, there's.
If you're going to Plot Mountain, you gotta start somewhere. We'll call this the introduction. And guess what happens there? You describe the characters and the settings. That's the who, what, when, and where. The characters are the people that are there. What do they look like? Why should we care? And the setting is the place where they be. What exactly do the characters see on their way to Plot Mountain? At the start of Plot Mountain, you're gonna have to go up. We call this the rising action, and here starts the plot. There's a conflict in the story. You should describe exactly what. Like a character has a problem to work through with themselves or the world. What should they do? Or maybe there's some big arguments, or some dramatic natural events on the way up Plot Mountain. Keep going up Plot Mountain until you reach the top. We call this the climax, and here you cannot stop. You must face the biggest problem that leads to a turning point. Here the story is the most intense, with emotions, drama, and suspense. But action like this cannot stay. The story must change and go a different way on the top of Plot Mountain. After the top of Plot Mountain, you're gonna start to go down. We call this the falling action, and it lasts until flat ground. There's still action in the story, but it will start to slow down. So the worst is over, yeah, the worst is through, but now what will the characters do? There are still some problems, how long will they last? And don't forget the ending is coming fast on the way down Plot Mountain. After climbing down Plot Mountain, well, it's gotta end somewhere. We call this the resolution, and what will happen there? You should answer all the questions until you are aware that the conflicts in the story from before aren't there anymore. Unless there's gonna be a sequel or a part 2, and then you'll have to think, what will the characters do the next time on Plot Mountain?